So what are the best ways to start self-touch?
So, starting self touch is an exciting journey because you're literally getting to experience yourself in a new way. You don't have to know what to do, you're literally an explorer. One of the best ways to start, I always recommend, is you want to feel confident, you want to feel clean. Take a bath, take a shower, scrub yourself up. Maybe start by touching your neck and seeing how it feels, not on your fingers, but how your neck feels to be touched. Moving down your body potentially. As you move your way out of the shower, feeling nice and sparkly, move to standing in front of a mirror. Normally, it's really easy to pick out things that we don't like about ourselves or don't appreciate about our appearance. Take some time to notice some things that you do appreciate. Give yourself a little wink. Find 3 things that you think you're beautiful or you think is nice about the way that you look or the way that you stand or the confidence that you emanate. At that point, you can move somewhere where it might be comfortable for you to lie down or to explore safely. And we're going back to the hands. Start by feeling your body. Again, you can start up in the torso area, move down to the thighs, into your more intimate areas. I would recommend using some lubricant, like coconut oil is great. And explore how different pressures, different movements feel. And we're not looking here for the pinnacle of pleasure. There is no way that you can go wrong. What you're doing is just engaging with curiosity about your body and its responses. So have fun.